We will start with the surprise. Sanjay, please do the honor. Come. Girls, start. A beautiful rose for all of you. All the girls.
All the girls, please come here. One.
There. All the girls are there. Lovely lady. Happy Women's Day. Come. Happy Women's Day. Dhanyavad. Yeah. Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day. To all the people on this side, those who are sitting on the other side, please come forward once you complete logically your work. Message on this Women's Day as a woman for this group. Then I will go to this group. You have been connect with women one way or other in your life, be it on personal side or on the professional side. It could be your fellow colleague, or it could be your customers, or it could be your partners, or it could be your supporting teams. First, consider them equal. No high, no low, equal. Second, give them the ecosystem. They don't need your support. They need the equal ambience, ecosystem. What does that mean? Any example anybody wants to share? Home. They want to say something, give the time. You don't have to cut them. You don't have to agree to them also. But give that time. That's called creating a supporting system. And how do you make them to see your point? Start with rapport building. Looking at their body language. I see your point. Can you also do this? Called a very important technique called sandwich feedback. What does that mean? Bread between the key ingredients and again the bread. Starts with a sweet word. Then give the important message, what you want them to take away. And then again end with, wow, thank you, you are so awesome with other things. It works for kids, it works for every one of us. Because we human beings love to be appreciated. Why? Because it gives you good positive chemicals to our brain. Clear? So, when you are working, start practicing from today. You don't have to help any girls. Girls doesn't need your support. They need an understanding environment. How can you create? Start from home, because that's your territory. You know basically, you don't need a teaching there. Once you start doing it, treating them with equal. They are not weak. They do not have the enough exposure. Please understand the difference. They don't have enough of exposure in the way you think they need to be. That's all. So create the ambience. Create the ecosystem. That's a message for this. There is only one message. If you can practice every single day, you would see a great support for you from home. That would improve your entire life. Those who have taken the best advantage of their female energy within you and at home are the most successful people. Most of my mentors are the great people on this. Some of you know Dr. D. Martini. He lives in the ship. His wife was his greatest inspiration. Not because she did everything. She challenges him everything, but they know how to get to support each other. My own case, my husband is my greatest support. He doesn't teach me how to run the business, but he will give me the supporting system. If I want to move, like I'm here, I can go late. He will take care of it. On Sundays, I don't do any work because I do hard workout. He takes care of the morning things for the kids, supporting system, so that I can be a best fit myself. It helps him. Why? How many of you know my age? I'm 55. I can run. Today, I woke up at 3 o'clock. I did my 10 kilometers, much better than a young boy, 35 years old. And I did 40 kilometers cycling. And then I'm here. He can get my support all the time at home as an energetic woman, not like crying 55-year-old mom. You get that advantage. So treat your women equal, create an ambience for them to bring their potential out. You don't have to do anything else. On the other side, girls, you don't have to be a male. Just don't be like them. They are them, they do it. Every one of us has a male energy. The male energy is needed when you are learning something new, when you are challenged. That is why every one of us has both female and male energy. So have your male energy balanced. Enhance your feminine. That is the greatest power. You don't need to prove. Just become best on your inner strength. Feminine is not weak. Feminine is the strongest point. How many of you have seen Makali? In Hinduism, they show that. How many of them seen Makali? Makali's foot, Shiva is to be there. There's a greater meaning behind that. An energy of male and female combination. Okay? That's one message. Just go around, quickly give one message to the male. If you are not giving the message, it goes to the next person. Correct.
Equality, ma'am.
Amazing. Equality. Ajit, you are making a note of.
Safer feeling. Safe feeling.
Very important point. Safe feeling.
Should do.
I want to have a clarity. Is it on the work by the boss or
anything in general? We should take our own decision.
so you wanted to fail by yourself and learn from that?
Yes. They should be supporting.
Do you think that opportunity is given to the male?
Yes. Yeah.
Ajit, that's the point.
Basically break all the stereotype girl or boy.
Stereotype. Give example. No labels. Stereotype. Give example.
No, if you boldly walk in a room, you'll be like you're walking like a man, walk like a woman. Basic comment comes around. A stereotype.
That comes.
Yeah, no, there's a stereotype that girls should walk so way, behave so way. Stereotype is supposed to be broken.
Okay. Fine. Very good point. Very good point. And do you see here? Do you see here? Be open. If you the mic is with you, so be open.
No, I've seen it here. Like they don't have that stereotype, but just to make fun, they used to comment all this stuff. But I don't take it seriously. But in
That's a mistake. All of you remember, all girls do not have this conflict of boundaries. The rule is the rule. There is nothing called joke about gender-related boundaries and respects. In office, you treat me like this, and that's it. Because for you it may be joke, for somebody else it is not. They may not know. Oh, one girl has accepted, so I will extend it to the other girl. No. Absolutely no. You carry the responsibility of how you would be making the men to behave with a lady. It's a very responsible role as each and every career woman has to do. That's where the posh is, most of the posh cases, we find the thin blur because they were slipped into it. Oh, she was okay when I was talking initially. Why did she suddenly become negative about it? So your rights to become you has been taken away that moment because yesterday you were okay with that. No. You cannot be okay with some days, cannot be, because they are also normal human beings. They may not know when you want, when you don't want. Fix the boundaries very clearly. Good point.
Provide some space or time for the girls to achieve their dreams.
Do you think that is given to the male?
It's not like that. When come to girls, it will say like when at around 25 or 23 meet, there will be a pressure. You are getting aging, so you need to do your things in a particular age. Like that will be there. Some boundaries will be there. We have to do in that particular time.
In the context of office nStore, what
No.
is that you want in
In
this?
general.
Okay, in general, but in this context, anything you want from, because we are, Ajit and I are here to take, and Sanjay is there. So we are here to support you on that front.
No, not here.
Not here, okay. But that's a very valid societal point. So take all these points and look at in your personal life. The girls are your representation of what the female at your home are feeling. It's the same people, same experience. Be sensitive. No need to give a bouquet. Thank you, Sanjay. I didn't mean that way, but if you could give that every day, that feeling is much, much better. Okay, mic on to the other side.